A 10-year study conducted by industrial insurer FM Global showed that a lack of proper safety practices during hot work was the third most common cause of fire loss experienced by its clients. The average cost per incident, $1.4 million. An important but often misunderstood safety practice involves the proper use of fire-resistant pads, blankets, or curtains to isolate hot work from adjacent combustibles. Not all welding coverings provide the same protection. Using substandard materials on the job, like tarps made of plastic, cotton, or untested materials of unknown origin with no certification, can contribute to expensive and irreversible fire loss. Yet, improper choices are still made all too often. In 2002, FM Approvals, part of FM Global, tackled the problem by introducing the first performance-based standard for hot work fabrics, including a series of rigorous test procedures and a rating system based on severity of use. In order to meet the standard, fabrics must pass fire and thermal tests, accelerated weathering tests, and charring embrittlement tests, all engineered to replicate real-world welding situations. What you are about to see is a side-by-side comparison of two similar-looking welding blankets undergoing a fire test. One blanket is FM approved, the other is not. The fire test shown here is the paper ignition test. Two blankets are positioned in the test chamber over a recessed opening in which a sheet of paper is placed. Here, cardboard, which creates embers that show up better on video, is used in place of paper, but the results are the same. The blankets are subjected to hot sparks produced by an acetylene torch cutting through a 3/4-inch thick steel plate. In a moment, you can decide for yourself which blanket you'd rather have protecting your facility from hot work operations, FM approved or non-FM approved. For over 20 years, Auburn Manufacturing, the leading manufacturer for welding protection, has been committed to raising the bar by building awareness about the importance of fabrics in hot work safety procedures. Using advancements in fiber and coating technologies, we have created fire-resistant pads, curtains, and blankets, all designed for safe, reliable protection for all sorts of hot work situations. Auburn Manufacturing was the first manufacturer to have its facilities and fabrics tested and rated using this groundbreaking new standard. We now make 17 different FM-approved fabrics for all levels of protection. Auburn Manufacturing produces consistent, reliable, and now FM-approved pads, blankets, and curtains, all made at its U.S. facilities. And our expert team is dedicated to helping you make the right choice the first time when it comes to safety on the job. It is time to raise the bar on hot work safety by using FM-approved pads, blankets, and curtains. It is time to stop taking unnecessary risks on the job. It is time to choose Auburn Manufacturing, the extreme temperature experts.